Good day, welcome to Zonle Doors channel, this is Ahmed. WPC doors are made from a combination of natural wood fibers and plastic polymers. They are an ideal choice for both indoor and outdoor use. They are highly durable and resistant to scratches, dents, and moisture. They're also resistant to rot, decay, and insect damage, making them a long-lasting investment for you. What's more, WPC doors are made from recycled materials and are 100% recyclable, making them an eco-friendly choice for your home or office. At Zonle Doors, we offer a wide range of WPC doors to suit your needs. We have nearly 20 automatic fully extrusion lines. Monthly production capacity is over 35,000 pieces of full WPC and filling WPC doors. The automatic production line help us to produce WPC doors efficient, also help us to control labor cost, most important is to control doors quality very stable. Our doors are made from high quality materials and are designed to provide you with years of reliable use. So if you want to purchase large quantities of WPC doors, please contact us. Stay tuned for updates. You can contact us with any contact information on the screen for more details. Our customer service is available 24/7, ensuring that all of our customers' inquiries are promptly answered. See you next time.